been here before. We were actually just here on accident. Hi, how are you?
Well, it's been a while, but we are back at the Heller Nature Center in Highland Park, Illinois. I'm not sure what actually is open with the COVID situation, but I was in the area. I wanted to see if this was open. Oh wow. I did not think this was going to be open. God, it's been a while since I've been here. I did a vlog here. I did do a vlog here a long time ago. In the early days of Memories by Wayne. And it looks like one difference that I do notice here is that the trails are basically one way. So like normally you can walk this way, but this is like the end of the trail, I guess. So we have to kind of go to a different spot. To actually start the trail, but yeah, this is a neat little cabin here. Pretty much as I remember from my last visit, but still kind of cool. So we gotta walk this way. A little garden here too. Kind of neat. According to a sign back there, everything closes promptly at 5:30. So I have to kind of keep an eye out on the time, I guess. But the little community center here, little fire pit, benches to. Not sure you can socially distance too much there, but maybe they're 6 feet apart. Got a bunch of kids over there. Like a Girl Scout troop or something doing their little activities. But it looks like this is where you have to start the trails. Not sure there's a certain direction you can go or not go, but yeah, let's just keep walking, I guess. Oh, that's interesting. So, only limited trails. Even though I'm going the right way, this trail apparently is closed, so we have to go this way. Wow, okay. Social distancing in nature. Kind of a interesting concept, I guess. Oh, there's this little playhouse thing. Okay. Yeah, I remember this now. Yeah, alright. Yeah, this is all kind of coming back to me now. Yeah. Little blackboard here. Yeah, so I think there's activities that, you know, kids can do and stuff here, and their little groups and everything. You know, like a little baby toy, something. Stop moving around back there. Ooh, looks like a black squirrel. He's kind of hiding, can't really see him, but. I'm not sure how much of any of this stuff is running or working right now, but. And the little teepee thing. Build. Like folks are trying to build this one still. This must be the make a mess section. And the tunnel. So we are here. It might be the blue trail that's actually closed, but let's see if we can go on the red trail a little bit.
Right.
Yeah, another little community center over here. Nice. Kind of see the Union Pacific North Line over there. That's the one that goes from downtown Chicago out to Kenosha. So if we get lucky, we might see a metro train pass by, but I don't know. It's not quite rush hour yet, but a train will be going through there soon enough. Nice little trail though. Gravel throughout, but not really hilly or hard to walk, anything like that. Not too crazy distances. More trail close signs, one way. Follow the sign and get out of the park by 5:30. Alright, I can do that. I think we're good. You can see the train tracks over there too. get a closer view. It would be awesome to see a train go through. Oh wow. Yeah, I definitely have not done this red trail before. I do not remember this little picnic area either. See, a lot of stuff has been taped off. Obviously due to COVID, but now it's open, I guess. I've seen this tape cut in various public spaces here, so I'm guessing they're allowing people to eat here. Oh, someone left their mask here. Yeah, there's a sign of the times. This pavilion is dedicated to the honor and memory of Andy Rothschild, Highland Park High School, class of '99. Interesting. I also am the class of '99, not Highland Park, but West Leyden High School in North Lake. But interesting. Obviously, it sounds like he passed away, which is kind of sad. I'm not sure. Might have to look up his name, kind of see if there's a story behind that. But this pavilion is dedicated to Andy. I'm sure I'm going the right way here. Don't want to get lost. I gotta be out of here by 5:30. Or they'll lock me in for the night. So the team's course is closed to the public. I'm not sure exactly where this leads, or what this goes to, but we made it to the end of the loop, and now we gotta start heading back. So we're headed the right direction. Not lost yet. There's some good news there. It's about 4:30, so I have an hour to get back to the car. I think I can make it. Interesting little tree, only has leaves up the top. Everything else is gone. It just looks kind of weird. I don't know. Yeah, it's a nice trail to walk through. There's nothing super spectacular. There's not a lot of little valleys and hills and water even to see here. It's just a nice trail to walk into. It's not Marine Park. Pink ribbon, I think that means the tree is dead. Got a bench over here. Dedicated by the Lake Cook chapter of the Illinois Audubon Society, June 1998. Nice little bench, looks fairly new. You can see that was taped off at 1.2. That's since opened up. Be smart and do your part, Highland Park. Keep moving. Well, I'm not moving right now. I should probably go moving it. Where are we? Alright, I think we're going the right way. So, yep, so we're going to go right, and it should take us right back to the green trail. Yeah, I think we only did the green trail last time, to be honest with you. I mean, we may have done the blue trail, but I'm not 100% sure if that's actually open right now. There's a little pond over here. It's like the only water they actually have here. So we're going to continue this way, and got a little ways to go yet on the red trail, so continuing on. A fenced off area here. Also has one of these pink ribbons. I don't know what that's about, or what exactly is behind there. I don't know if there's some nature animals are trying to keep off the trail or what, but interesting. Yeah, kind of different to see a fenced area around here. Well, this tree kind of goes over there. Connects up with that one. There we go. To Nature Center. And the program shelter that is closed. You gotta go this way, and boy, they give you plenty of signs to tell you which way to go. Jeez. Okay. Well, some people walking the trails behind me there. Keep your 6 feet, people. Keep your 6 feet away. Or just keep it 10 feet and, you know, play it safe, in my opinion. 12 feet if you want. I mean, feel free. You want to keep 12 feet away from me? No problem with me. Fairies eat birds, berries, and love honey. They are allergic to silver. Can we find food to leave for our fairy friends? What if that's for the Girl Scout group, which is back behind me now. Continuing on. We should be getting pretty close. Oh, yep, there we are. I see the little log cabin, so we made it. And it's not 5:30 yet, so we did good. Our little Girl Scout group is back that way. I think there's Girl Scouts. I mean, they got like all the matching uniforms, so I don't know. Seems like they're enjoying themselves. Good. And we're now approaching the end of the trail. Oh, the Bee Center. Yeah, I don't think we visited that last time, and for employees only. So sad. Yes, I would love to see a beehive, especially this time of year in September. Best time to check out a beehive, right? Heck no. Heck no. Leave that to the employees. But we made it, folks. There's the cabin. Again. There you go. And one more visit to the log cabin. And that is the Highland Nature Center in Highland Park, Illinois. I will link my previous video down below. Yeah, not much has changed, but it's always kind of nice to come back and revisit these places that you haven't vlogged at in a while. So it was fun. Perfect day to do it. I haven't hit any trails for a while, so I kind of needed this for my mental well-being today. I do feel a little better. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Click this like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned. Hopefully we have some good fall content coming up for you. Some opportunity to visit some new places in the future in 2021. So thank you as always for the support. Thank you for watching.